Hi, this is Corey Chambers in Los Angeles. Thanks for taking a minute to listen in. In a moment, I'll share with you some valuable information about two-story live-work loft, downtown Los Angeles, 1,700 square feet, open house Sunday. We'll gladly send you more details or arrange for a private tour of this and other buildings that match your criteria upon request. If you have a home you'd like to sell, then you should know that I'll guarantee the sale of your present home at a price acceptable to you, or I'll buy it for cash. This guarantee will allow you to buy your next home without worrying about selling your present home. So this is real estate news about an amazing two-level condo with industrial character. Open house tomorrow, Sunday, 2:30 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. So this live and work open space shows off soaring high ceilings accented by palatial column pillars and polished concrete floors, all bathed by a wall of windows and natural light. The upstairs mezzanine bedroom boasts additional living area, dressing area, and immense walk-in closet. You can take a look at the video here. This is the invitation to the open house. The Alta Lofts building live-work condo with awesome industrial character is available to see during the Sunday open house, September 22nd, from 2:30 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. You can go on the LA Loft blog and click on property details there to get all the details about it. And the Alta Lofts building was originally built in 1925, which was then operated by the Fuller Paint Company for several decades. The building maintains its original Art Deco exterior, which you might also call that a different type of architecture, possibly a neoclassical as well. So, seamlessly incorporating the best in contemporary features and decor, the modern open kitchen, stainless appliances, gas stove, perfect for cooking and entertaining. The building amenities include fully landscaped first-floor courtyard, assigned gated one-car parking space, and gated covered guest parking as well. It's got a 24-hour amenities, fitness room, gym, the community room, and the barbecue area. And it's just minutes from downtown Los Angeles and Silver Lake. It's right by the 5 freeway and the 110 freeways in greater downtown Los Angeles, Lincoln Heights, Chinatown. So the unit has a west-facing view towards facing Elysian Park and the vibrant street scenes here. The unit has granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, large bathrooms with tile floor, stainless sink, washer, dryer hookup in the unit, central air conditioning and heat, a very large closet and several closets. We mentioned those other amenities. So take a look on the LA Loft blog and then come visit in person tomorrow. Fill out the Live Work Lofts new listings request to make sure that we get your information so we can get you the information on this and all of the Live Work Lofts that might suit your needs. Here is the Alta building with a brand new lighting, and that's pretty much it. So if you like I mentioned before, a property information packet or a private tour is also available upon request. Call 213-880-9910 now. Again, thanks for taking a look. I'm Corey Chambers in Los Angeles. Your home sold guaranteed, or I'll buy it. You take care. Bye-bye.